Today's video is about buying the right shovel, but also join us live October 21st at 8 a.m. Let me show you the Grand Master, Captain Dan, world-class fisherman.
Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Today I want to take you through some shovel basics. We've got a good selection of shovels over here. We're at Lowe's, by the way. And if you're going to do any type of drainage project, do not buy a cheap shovel. The shovel was $7, and you can see it's got rolled steel around the sides going to the back. And this isn't the greatest thing. That, and also we'll call this the shank. You can see that it only comes up into about right here. This shovel would break in a matter of minutes. This is another example of a good shovel. This is a Cobalt, really great shovel. It's got a good step, drive your foot right up against it, nice wide area. You can see the shank comes all the way up to the top. This is a wooden shovel, but it will still work pretty good. Better is a fiberglass shovel. You'll be able to get good leverage when you're digging. This will flex a little bit, shouldn't break as quick. You can see the shank comes all the way up to the end of the shovel, works really good. Spend a little bit more, and your job will be a lot easier. Plus you'll be able to use the shovel for something else. Nice sharp tip down here when there might be roots down there. You can jab it down into the ground, smash it. You'll be able to cut those tree roots, no problem at all. Same thing on the rake. Let's go down to the rakes. So it's the same kind of deal on the rake, because you need a rake to help grade out your soil, bring it back up into a pile. Here we've got a $10 rake, and you can't see it, but it has two bolts right here, shank, and it's already loose. I can feel it. When you start to really pull with this rake, it's just going to pull it apart. It's just going to pop off. This is a Cobalt rake, and nice wide area out here, much stronger steel that goes around, good long shank, nice bolt holds it all together. This is a wooden one, but it works really, really good. You'll be able to grab a hold of a lot of dirt. You can also use it as a plow, put your body weight against it. Put your body weight against it and push. You can push your dirt over. Again, a rake's gonna last you a long, long time. My guys go through tools quite quickly. But that's because we don't really worry about buying, I shouldn't say they don't worry about buying the material or the shovels or the tools. That's my responsibility. Hey, there's one more thing here in Lowe's I wanted to show you. Let's go take a look. So we get a lot of questions about liquid rubber, what we use to seal the foundation wall. And this is Blackjack roof and foundation coating. It's a fiber liquid asphalt coating. Most of the questions are, what do we use? Well, this is what you buy. This is a 5-gallon container, and it costs 47 bucks. So it works really good. You'll really enjoy using the product. It does say that you got to have a good warm temperature, but if you're below 50 degrees, you go ahead and warm it up in your garage or your truck or your van. It'll work great. It'll dry within 1 day, 24 hours. Seal it tight. So again, the questions have always been, which foundation coating do you use? And this one's the one that we would recommend. Hey, we're right here by the Home Depot as well. Let's go in there and take a look at their shovels and just kind of compare the prices. Let's take a look. Okay, so we came over to Home Depot to look at the shovels, and every now and then you find a really good deal. Sometimes Lowe's has it, sometimes Home Depot. What we're looking for is the same type of shovel. This is a Razorback. This comes with a lifetime warranty, which means if you break it, you can come back and we'll just give you a new one. Real good shank, same thing as the other spot. Good step, drive it down in, and it's $2 cheaper than at Lowe's. And it's 20% off today. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a few of these shovels. So again, if you're going to shop, shop. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.
How many people have watched this live war in Israel and Gaza? You know, it's truly so sad. All of these channels are truly making money from YouTube to fund their operations. Yes, I know, we are a drainage contracting company, but what you are watching on these channels is giving these terrorists, as well as Israel, money to fund the operations to kill people.